The Garga Foundation got wind of Suwaiba's condition via a Facebook post and quickly mobilized to pave way for her treatment after a visit by a team to the patient's location in Babale to ascertain her condition.
Villages to see their immediate concern. Some they will say you don't have water. If I have money, I would dig borehole. I have done it in so many villages to get and have potable water to drink. I even go ahead to renovate a clinic where when I went to that place, I saw that they were using classroom to give medication to people in such. What happened to their clinic? Say the roofing, everything have scattered. I have to go and open it and do it my own. This is not a government payroll, but from my own pocket.
The parents of the patient said their daughter has been bedridden for the past 7 years, as monies for her treatment has been a serious challenge to the family. They thanked the Garga Foundation for donating the sum of 100,000 naira, saying it will reduce the pain she's going through, while calling on well-spirited individuals to support them so Suwaiba can live a normal life through this phone number 09023558523.
I really appreciate the former Commissioner for Local Government and Chieftaincy Affairs, Dayyabu Garga, for saving my life, providing money for my cancer medication. May Allah bless him. I thank Allah for sending the former Commissioner for saving my daughter's life. I'm praying for good-spirited people to emulate same gesture to help us.
In another development, in a quest to see that those he has worked with become self-reliant, the philanthropist has donated a complete set of tailoring equipment to support the wife of his driver to become her own boss to also support her family.
I want to say thank you to him for empowering me to stand on my own financially. I have also empowered 5 girls who now work under me. May God bless and continue to provide for him. Thank you.
According to Garga, one has not really lived a life if he has not touched others, said his foundation will unveil series of other intervention programs to accommodate widows and orphans. The Dayyabu Garga Foundation is a non-profit and non-political organization committed towards deliberate intervention for those in critical needs. In Jos, Mary Domtur, NTA News.